Picture this. A 1,000 investment growing to 10,000 by 2025, without you lifting a finger. Sounds impossible? Think again. AI trading bots are rewriting the rules of investing. Stay until the end of the video because I will revealing exactly how you can use them to 10x your portfolio in the next 2 years and the top bots you should consider. Welcome to TechMoneyAI, where we help you invest smarter with the power of AI. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and stay tuned for future videos where we explore cutting-edge tools that can help you build wealth in the digital age. Alright, let's dive right in. Now, when we talk about using AI trading bots to 10x your portfolio, we're not talking about some magic formula or overnight success. What we're discussing is taking advantage of powerful algorithms, automation, and real-time market analysis to optimize your trading strategies. AI trading bots are rapidly transforming the landscape of trading, and they can help you achieve the kind of returns that were once only possible for professional traders with years of experience. In this video, I'm going to show you how these AI tools work, why they're the future of trading, and how you can harness their potential to grow your portfolio in 2025. We'll look at the top bots you can use, the strategies they excel in, and how to incorporate them into your overall investment approach. So if you're ready to take control of your financial future, let's get started. The promise of AI in trading. AI trading bots are nothing new, but they've reached new heights in terms of sophistication. In 2025, these bots have evolved from simple market scanners into highly intelligent systems that can execute complex trades, adapt to changing market conditions, and even learn from their past decisions. This means they're getting better at making smarter moves, faster, and more accurately than ever before. The major appeal of AI trading bots is their ability to remove the emotional aspect of trading. Let's face it, humans are emotional. Fear, greed, FOMO, fear of missing out, and impulsive decisions can cost us big in trading. An AI bot doesn't get emotionally attached to a trade. It doesn't panic during market volatility or become overconfident during a bull market. It sticks to the plan. And when you let the bot do the heavy lifting, you free up time to focus on other areas of your life, while still seeing those profits grow. But can these bots really 10x your portfolio? Well, the answer depends on several key factors that we'll be covering in this video. Let's break it down. The key factors to success. First, let's discuss the factors that determine whether or not an AI bot can help you achieve massive growth in your portfolio. There are plenty of AI trading bots available today, but not all of them are created equal. Some bots are designed for beginners and are focused on simplicity, while others are more advanced and cater to experienced traders. Some bots focus on crypto, others on stocks, and some even cover multiple assets. For 2025, we need to look at bots that are scalable, adaptable, and most importantly, profitable. Think bots like Crypto Hopper, TradeSanta, 3, and Algo Trader. They have a reputation for being reliable and effective in the market. Not all bots work the same way. Some use trend-following strategies, others use grid trading, scalping, or even arbitrage. To 10x your portfolio, you need a bot that matches your risk tolerance and investment goals. A high-risk, high-reward strategy might give you the biggest returns, but it could also lead to significant losses if the market turns against you. A balanced approach that mixes high-probability strategies with risk management is crucial for long-term success. When it comes to investing, risk management is everything. One of the key ways that AI trading bots can help you is by ensuring your risk is properly managed. They do this by automatically setting stop-loss orders, adjusting position sizes based on risk levels, and even exiting trades at the most optimal moments. With bots like 3, you can set up trailing stop losses, and with Crypto Hopper, you can set up bots to hedge against large losses. The beauty of AI trading bots is that they learn from the past to make better decisions for the future. Many of the top bots offer backtesting features, which allow you to simulate trades based on historical market data. This enables you to tweak your strategies and optimize them for better performance. Backtesting is crucial for finding the most profitable strategies and ensuring that your bot is ready to face the challenges of 2025 and beyond. AI bots don't just stop at backtesting. The best bots continue to learn and adapt in real time. They can refine their strategies based on live market data, identifying emerging patterns and trends that humans might miss. This is why bots that leverage machine learning and AI can potentially outperform human traders. By continually evolving, your bot's trading decisions become more accurate, and you're able to capitalize on market opportunities faster. Top AI trading bots for 2025. Now that we've laid the foundation for what makes an AI trading bot effective, let's take a look at the top bots you should consider in 2025 if you want to 10x your portfolio. Crypto Hopper is a popular AI trading bot that caters to both beginner and advanced traders. It offers a range of strategies, including grid trading, momentum trading, and arbitrage. What sets it apart is its marketplace where you can buy and sell trading strategies, templates, and signals. Crypto Hopper also integrates with a wide variety of exchanges, including Binance, Coinbase Pro, and Kraken, which means it's versatile for traders who like to diversify. If you want to start simple and gradually move into more advanced features, Crypto Hopper is an excellent choice. For those looking for more customization and advanced features, 3 Commas is the bot to beat. It offers smart trade, DCA, dollar cost averaging, and trailing stop-loss features, giving you more control over your trades. It also has a social trading feature, allowing you to copy the strategies of top traders. With 3 Commas, you can trade multiple assets, from crypto to stocks to forex, making it a great choice for traders who want a diversified portfolio. If you're just starting out, TradeSanta is a beginner-friendly AI bot that doesn't require much experience to get started. It supports grid trading, DCA, and scalping strategies, and it's particularly great for traders who prefer a simple, no-fuss approach. While TradeSanta doesn't offer as many advanced features as Crypto Hopper or 3 Commas, it's a solid choice for beginners looking to automate their trading without too much complexity. For the advanced trader, AlgoTrader is an AI bot that offers sophisticated strategies and supports multi-asset trading, including stocks, crypto, and forex. It's designed for institutional investors but can be used by serious retail traders who want to diversify across different markets. AlgoTrader offers advanced algorithms, backtesting, and data integration, making it ideal for traders who want complete control and precision. Maximizing your portfolio in 2025. Now that we've covered some of the top bots, let's talk about how to leverage them to 10x your portfolio. As mentioned earlier, the key to success is choosing the right bot for your goals. Beginners should start with simpler bots like TradeSanta, while more experienced traders should go for bots like 3 Commas or Crypto Hopper that offer more customization and advanced features. But remember, no matter which bot you choose, always ensure that it fits your risk tolerance and investment style. When starting with AI trading bots, it's always a good idea to start with a small investment. This will allow you to test the bot's performance, tweak strategies, and gain confidence before scaling up your investment. As you see consistent profits, you can start increasing your investment, giving you the opportunity to 10x your returns over time. In 2025, market volatility is likely to continue, especially with the rise of digital assets and cryptocurrencies. To succeed in these conditions, you'll need to implement strategies that work well in both bullish and bearish markets. Bots like 3 and Crypto Hopper excel in volatile environments due to their momentum trading and arbitrage features, so don't be afraid to adjust your strategies accordingly. Trading bots are not set and forget tools. Even though they are automated, you should still track their performance regularly and refine strategies based on real-time data and changing market conditions. By continuously optimizing your approach, you can increase the chances of achieving a higher ROI and ultimately 10x your portfolio. Conclusion. In conclusion, AI trading bots have the potential to revolutionize your investment strategy in 2025 and beyond. Whether you're just starting out or you're an experienced trader looking to automate your strategies, these bots offer a powerful, data-driven way to maximize your profits. By leveraging the best bots, using optimal strategies, and continuously learning and adapting, you can increase your chances of achieving significant portfolio growth. So, as we move into 2025, remember, invest better with the power of AI. Don't forget to subscribe to TechMoneyAI, hit that like button, and leave a comment telling me about your experience with AI trading bots. I'll see you in the next video.